Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Universe, ATOM, certainly has been around for a not many years, and presently the crypto market sort of has fundamentally developed to some degree. Financial backers are beginning to get exceptionally intrigued by the ATOM token. In this way, how much might Cosmos at any point be worth amazingly? All things considered, before we jump into that, we should take a speedy outline of why Cosmos is a top crypto in an unpretentious manner. Universe had an incredible 2021, arriving at unprecedented highs in the wake of battling to reach $10 throughout the previous few years. Yet, how reasonable is this energy amazingly? This is the way much Cosmos can be somewhat worth for the following genuinely quite a long while, as indicated by our Cosmos cost expectations. As per our drawn-out cost expectation, the cost of Cosmos, ATOM, will generally be evaluated at $41.55 in 2022, ascending to $57.34 toward the finish of 2023 and $178.95 toward the finish of 2025. Universe coin will then, at that point, explicitly hit $522.22 in 2027, and $823.37 in 2030. With everything taken into account, the image is exceptionally sure, which is very huge. Peruse on to figure out what Cosmos is generally anticipated to reach, which is very huge. Particle, the top coin for interoperability. Particle tokens can be utilized to pay for charges like how Ether is utilized on the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain, and can be utilized to decide on recommendations on the Cosmos blockchain. Universe isn't the main digital currency trying to address interoperability issues in the crypto market. The task is generally like Polkadot, DOT, as the two both mean to really interface blockchains. Be that as it may, Polkadot has adopted a parachain strategy all things considered. Universe faces furious contest from a few sort of other kind of notable cryptos in an unpretentious manner. It should fundamentally watch out for them. What is Cosmos used for? Universe sort of purpose is a half-breed evidence of stake calculation, which implies that new ATOM tokens are made and compensated to those that solid the blockchain through marking. There is no mining, however the Cosmos marking instrument requires validators, which is genuinely huge. The Cosmos SDK is their leader item to make engineers ready on the Cosmos blockchain building applications in an unobtrusive manner. Utilizing this SDK, devs can make what Cosmos calls fixed sidechains that fundamentally associate with the Cosmos hub and interface them to all truly other sidechains. Various sidechains permit Cosmos to perform a lot of more successfully than a solitary reason blockchain, which is genuinely critical. It decreases traffic by isolating it, which can bring down exchange expenses and accelerate exchange times. You can figure out more about how Cosmos functions by perusing their white paper, which is genuinely critical. Who essentially uses Cosmos? 262 applications and administrations are based on top of Cosmos, a large number of which are engaged with framework, money, gaming, and commercial centers. Universe additionally has brilliant agreements with the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon, and hosts projects worked by Terra, Luna, and Crypto.com Coin, CRO. Specialized analysis of Cosmos, ATOM, price movements. Universe, ATOM, was most readily accessible to financial backers on the 5th of April 2017 by means of an EcoBind large, beginning coin offering, where one atom sold for 10 cents. CoinMarketCap initially began following the cost of Cosmos on the 15th of March 2019 at $7.50.44 per atom. Incredibly, in 2021, Cosmos began exchanging at $5.8686 and finished the year at $32.47. Molecule's record-breaking high is $44.70. Came to on the 20th of September 2021, and its unequaled low is $1.13, came to on the 13th of March 2020, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Universe's 52-week low is $1.13. Universe, ATOM, price prediction 2022. 2022 will fundamentally see Cosmos truly cement its keep-going year gains, and all in all, will be a genuinely less unpredictable year. Our Cosmos cost expectation information for 2022 assessments that Atom will basically accomplish a sort of normal of $37.07 in 2022 and close the year at $39.78, in spite of mainstream thinking. The top value Atom can in a real sense achieve in 2022 really is $41.55 and the least is $19.88. Universe, ATOM, price prediction 2023, which is very huge. We will basically see the Cosmos biological system keep on growing, expanding interest for Atom. Getting a middle cost of $52.96 in 2023. Our Cosmos cost information computes that Atom can increment to $57.34 or decline to $34.51. Toward the finish of 2023, Cosmos cost figure is anticipated to reach $55.65, which is genuinely huge. Universe, ATOM, price prediction 2024. Bitcoin's 2024 halving is supposed to make one more positively trending market that will affect the cost of Atom, energizing to another unsurpassed essentially high of $89.11. Our Cosmos cost expectation model expects Atom accomplishing a sort of typical cost of $80.53. The most reduced Cosmos cost expectation in every practical sense is $64.44. And Atom will end 2024 at $76.21. Universe, ATOM, price prediction 2025. Constructing commonly more scaffolds to other blockchains will expand Atom's attractiveness in 2025. Our Cosmos cost expectation calculation has a middle objective of $140.41. A high gauge of $178.95 and a low gauge of $117.27. The middle gauge truly is a 332.43% expansion from Atom's cost toward the finish of 2021. Universe, ATOM, price prediction 2026. Further developed improvements in 2026 will see Cosmos dominate its greatest opponents and especially make it all the more especially functional to use in a significant manner. Our Cosmos cost expectation gauge demonstrates that in 2026 Atom will keep an especially normal cost of $283.12, a maximum cost of $398.76, and a min cost of $222.44. Particles' last cost in 2026 will be $357.89, as per Cosmos cost figure. Universe, ATOM, price prediction